All right, guys. Here we are again, guys. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. I'm going to be doing a single setting. Guys, I have very two stressful days. So I want to do a sitting here. For me, I'm going to sit down, have some tea, and relax because it's been very stressful. I'm going to do a simple 4th of July table setting for one. I'm going to start with the runner, but I want my runner to actually show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this right runner. And guys, this is Tablescape Tuesday, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. So I want to put this white one so it could actually show the runners. You guys seen this runner before, so I'm going to be utilizing this runner. I'm not going to use a placemat, but I am going to be using a silver charger. Okay, and I'm going to be mixing and matching patterns. So as you guys can see, this is my rooster plate. You are not going to see the rooster, but I love the edge of it, and it has a little bit of red. So we're going to be placing the plate there, and then on top of it I will be placing a vintage chinoiserie, and this is table made. Oh, I can barely read it, guys. It's very old. So I'm going to be placing it like that. I'm also going to be setting my teacup here on the side, like so. You guys have seen my glasses. I'm gonna place this one over here to break the red color, like so. It's gonna be simple, but I just want to put something together for you guys. Also, I'm going to be using I got this a couple of years back from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using this as a napkin with one of my thrifted napkin rings. So I will be placing that there, like so. Also, I'm going to be setting my fork and knife. I don't know if I'm going to be using the fork and knife, but I want to set this here. Actually, I'm going to bring this down a little bit, even though it's not going to be set. So I'm going to be placing that there. So far, that's what I have. All right, guys. I'm also going to put some cookies here, as you guys can see, right here. Also, I'm going to be setting, I'm using red candles with my vintage clear candle holders. So I will be placing this here, like so. All right, and I have my teapot, which I want to place, but I want to give it some height. I want to elevate my teapot. So let's see what I can find. Okay, I'm going to be using one of my margarita glasses. You know, you could use any glass to elevate your teapot. And this is one of my latest thrift finds that I got. You guys can see, very beautiful, white. So it goes perfectly with the setting, and it has this silver um, uh, edge on the top. I love it, guys. So I think this is what it's going to be. But since it's the 4th of July, I'm also going to add my two little gnomes. I have this one from the Dollar Tree. I bought this either last year or the previous year. So I will be adding this here just for decor. And you guys saw me put this flower arrangement together. It's small, it's simple, but I want to place it right here because I have to have flowers, guys. I have to have some flowers. So guys, there you have it. And also I want to add my little lights from the Dollar Tree. I want to turn this one on, and I'm going to be lighting up the candles. I'm going to place this one here on the side. Then I'm going to turn off the light, and then I'm going to light up the main candles. So guys, let me grab my lighter and let me light the candles up. Guys, we cannot forget the little spoon for the tea, which I have right there. And also I want to add one of these. I want to add another one, even though I have one, but I cut the stem on that one, so I want to make a taller one here. Okay, I want to add this one here. And let me close my shades, and then I will light up the candles and I'll show you what it looks like. So let me get over here behind you guys. So I hope you guys are doing okay. And guys, doesn't mean because you are by yourself, you cannot do something nice for you. So there you guys have it. This is my Tablescape Tuesday tablescape. Let me bring you guys close. All right, guys, here's my little flower arrangement that I put together. My napkin, of course, my gnomes from the Dollar Tree, my glasses, and there is my place setting. And of course, here are the candles. That's what it looks like. And of course, I have some vanilla stuffed cookies. And there is my new addition to my collection of teapots. So yeah, guys, my new addition to my teapot collection. Guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Oops. Bye-bye.